Welcome fellow car lovers. In the world of off-roading, there is a car name that is popular among enthusiasts, and this video will compare its old and newest generation. I am talking about the 2021 Toyota Land Cruiser and the 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser. Let's go take a look at the two vehicles. The Toyota Land Cruiser has a legendary resume as an off-roader, but the 2021 model comes across as more luxurious than adventurous. Still, this large SUV continues to be sturdily built and hugely capable. The only update for 2021 is that the Heritage Edition can now have a third row of seats. The boxy new Land Cruiser is back for the 2024 model year, and it rides on an entirely modernized platform. That means hybrid power, and while the previous generation LC was a full-size SUV, this time around it's been shrunk down to size medium, better for challenging off-road rivals from Ford and Jeep. The old 2021 Land Cruiser gets only one engine option, and it is a beefy 5.7-liter V8 that produces 381 horsepower with an MPG rating of 13 city and 17 highway. Coupled with a four-wheel drive configuration, the car's towing capacity is 8,100 pounds and MSRP starts at $87,030 to $89,240 when new. The new Land Cruiser also gets one engine option, but this time it's a smaller 2.4-liter turbo-charged inline-4 hybrid that produces 326 horsepower and an MPG rating of 22 city and 25 highway. Like the old one, it's only available in four-wheel drive, but has a towing capacity of 6,000 pounds, and MSRP starts at $55,950 to $74,950. The old Land Cruiser had many great aspects. For one, the car was equipped with loads of standard features like leather seats, multi-terrain monitor, console cool box, and multi-terrain select to name a few. As a luxury off-roader, the car also has available rear seat entertainment and kinetic dynamic suspension that increases traction and improve off-road comfort. However, being older has its cons, as the car only comes with a 9-inch infotainment screen while the new one comes with either an 8 or 12.3-inch infotainment screen. The old one is also dramatically more expensive, as the base model is $10,000 more than the highest trim of the new one. Having a V8 also means it gets worse fuel economy as well. Being a newer vehicle has its perks for the 2024 Land Cruiser. Not only does it have available stabilizer disconnect mechanism that helps improve comfort and performance on rough roads, but it also has available heads-up display and digital gauge cluster, all which are not available in the old one. It even has a better turning radius. However, the new one is still not perfect. Being a smaller vehicle than the previous generation, the car has less seating capacity, as the old one can seat 8 comfortably. Surprisingly, it also has less ground clearance, as the old one is an inch higher. Lastly, the car has a less powerful engine that can only tow 6,000 pounds compared to 8,100 for the old generation. In summary, the old generation Land Cruiser available in the US was known as a luxury off-roader for a reason. It comes with many optional luxurious features and many standard features. Being a bigger vehicle also means that it has a bigger cabin room. However, this all comes with a much steeper price. The new generation is not as big, so it can't seat 8 comfortably, and has less standard features than the old generation, but it has a way better fuel economy and improved technology. It is meant to be less luxurious and more rugged, but most luxury features of the old one is still available and cheaper too. In summary, the winner is the 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser. Let me know down in the comments below if you agree or not. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like the video, turn on notifications, and subscribe.